Namaskar. Let us understand the essentials of interlocking, which are very much required for safe operation of trains. This is divided into 4 parts, and in this session we will discuss part 1. Lever frames and other apparatus like the panel, the visual display unit VDU, electrical key transmitters EKTs, track circuits, axial counters, or any other apparatus provided in the signaling system for the operation and control of signals and points in a yard shall be so interlocked and arranged as to comply with the following essentials of interlocking. Today we will discuss about the first essential. For that we are considering a simple 3-road station. Here I plan to take S1 signal onto main line. First I need to set the route for main line. Points in the route have to be set. Point number 7, point number 8, point number 13 and 14 have to be set to main line. Also, the line on which the train is being received, here in this case the main line has to be isolated from other running lines, that is loop 1 and loop 2. Isolation can be achieved by points, tandems or trap points. Here we have used points for isolating the main line. Point number 7, point number 13, 14 and point number 8 have been set to normal. Let us, for an example, take a train. Let us consider a train available on loop 1. If this train overshoots, then at any cost this train should not come and obstruct the train that is being received on the main line. Hence, this point is set to normal. If this train overshoots S16 a danger, then the train will travel onto the tandem. Thus, it will not obstruct the main line and the train being received will not have any danger. Next, points in the route have to be locked. All the facing points in the route here have to be locked, but in the present signaling system we are electrically locking all the points in the route. Any LC gates, if available, shall also be closed and locked for road traffic in the entire route. Now, for taking off a signal, the route should be clear not only up to the next stop signal but for an adequate distance beyond it, which is called the safety distance or the overlap, which shall not be less than 120 meters. This is to ensure safety. So, the route should be clear and locked, and all the 4 conditions that we have discussed, that is setting of route, isolation, facing point locking and LC gates available, which shall be complied before taking off this signal. Signal Engineering Manual is CM Part 1, Para 7.82. Lever frames and other apparatus provided for the operation and control of signals, points, etc. shall be so interlocked and arranged as to comply with the following essentials. It shall not be possible to take off a running signal unless all the points including isolation are correctly set, all facing points are locked, and all interlocked level crossing gates are closed and locked against the public road for the line on which the train will travel. Here we have considered main line, including the overlap. With those conditions, the signal can be taken off to main line. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind.